Hi everyone, my name is Henna from Greenbubble. Today I'm going to show you how to create icebreaker messages for your WhatsApp Business API. Those super helpful quick reply buttons that appear when someone messages you for the first time. As you can see on my screen, three buttons are given below. Like the customer can choose any of the topics and the chatbot will get triggered. As many new customers open your business chat and just stare. They don't know what to type. They maybe came from any reference of YouTube and Instagram. Icebreakers solves that problem. You give them 2 to 3 ready-made suggestions that they can just tap instantly, and those taps can route them to straight into the right conversations. These small prompts dramatically increase reply rates, leads, and get people into the right flow immediately. So, how do you actually set them up? I'm using Greenbubble here. It makes the whole Meta Business API setup much easier. Log into your Greenbubble dashboard at greenbubble.io. So go to your connected numbers. You need to select the account of your business. Then in the phone number section, you can see various options like insights, profile certificate, automations, message links, two-step verifications, etc. But we'll today see automations, and in automations, here are two options: icebreakers and commands. In this video, we're discussing about icebreakers, so we'll go with icebreakers first. So in icebreakers, we can select up to 2 to 3 icebreakers. For first icebreakers, I'm writing talk to sales over here. The second icebreakers is talk to support. And the third icebreaker will be learn more. Now, as you can see on the right side of my screen, this is the point of view of a customer, how they'll see the screen when icebreaker is saved. So we have saved the icebreakers, and this is how we create icebreakers in WhatsApp Business APIs. Icebreakers become 10x more powerful when you connect them to a chatbot. If you want to learn how to build those chatbot flows in Greenbubble, check the other tutorials I have linked in the description and pinned comments. That's it, quick, simple, and very effective and lead generative. If you're serious about your WhatsApp Business API, head over to Greenbubble to get started. Thanks for watching. Drop a like if this helped. Subscribe for more WhatsApp automation tips, and I'll see you in the next video.